So hello students, today we will see JDBC and ODBC. Basically JDBC and ODBC both are APIs. These are application programming interfaces. These helps the application on the client side like PHP, C++, C, Java to access the database on the server side. So your database may be on at the different place and your client application may reside at the different place. So even they are at the same place, they need to have the connectivity, like we have seen the connectivity and of PHP and MySQL. So this JDBC and ODBC provides us the connectivity between the front end and the back end. Front end and the back end. The RDBMS vendors provide the driver. So the connectivity from ODBC and JDBC requires the drivers. So the vendors like MySQL, DB2, Oracle vendors provide these drivers so that their database can be accessed by the applications on the client side. The fundamental difference between JDBC and ODBC is that JDBC is only for Java specific. Fine. So JDBC is for Java database connectivity, ODBC is for open database connectivity. So as the name shows, JDBC is for only for Java based languages, connecting Java based languages to the backend, and ODBC can be used for any language to connect with the database. So basically both platforms, both APIs provides us the drivers through which the client application can be connected to the database on the server side. So this is the architecture in general. So you can see this figure is taken from net. You can also refer client application in Java, JDBC driver with help of SQL server, or with help of these drivers it can connect to SQL server, Oracle, DBMS. Similarly, client application in other languages through ODBC driver can connect to the databases. So here you can see, because this is Microsoft, ODBC is Microsoft, basically developed by Microsoft. So to access the Microsoft specific databases, JDBC needs the ODBC driver in itself. So we can see the difference. So first we have seen now ODBC is introduced in 1992 by Microsoft, and JDBC is introduced by Sun Microsystem in 1997. We can use ODBC for any languages like C, C++, Java, PHP, etc. We can use JDBC only for Java based languages. We can choose ODBC only for Windows platform, while JDBC can be used for any platform. Mostly ODBC driver developed, the driver itself is developed in the languages like C, C++. JDBC stands for Java database connectivity, and the drivers are also developed in Java based languages. For Java applications, it is not recommended to use ODBC because the performance will down due to, again I told you, ODBC will be converted to JDBC and then application will become platform independent. For Java application, it is highly recommended to directly use JDBC because there will not be performance and platform problem. JDBC, if you see its syntax, it is object oriented, while ODBC is a procedural language. Thank you.